Hey, welcome to Neurofeedback Experts. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and I am super excited to have you here in this masterclass course with me. In this course, we are going to start with mindset. We are going to move on to marketing, which primarily is community awareness. So it's marketing with a message, which is so powerful. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm going to give you all the tools to do it. Then we're going to move on to customer relationship management. And I know that sounds scary, but it's not. Think Starbucks. Think you want to be the best neurofeedback practice in your entire town, and you want to be able to provide expert level care and have everybody talking about not only what an awesome experience it is, but that they got better faster and stayed better longer. That is what we are talking about, and I'm going to give you the systems to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. Follow me into Module 1. We'll get your head on straight so that we can get to marketing and office systems so you can rock out your neurofeedback practice. We want to change brains and improve lives, and we're going to start doing it right now. I'll see you in the first module.